What's up, guys? Welcome back. Epic Outdoor Adventures, Brian Peacock back. I have a special video for you guys today. My son Austin has recorded and did a cover song of a Gavin Magnus song. It's called Movie. He sang it and we did a little video for you guys. It was great for both of us because I'm just learning all this editing stuff, and it gave me a chance to play with this editing equipment and be a little creative and see what I could come up with. It gave him a chance to do some singing again, and he wanted to do the video as well. So this is a cover song. He did not write this song. This is written by Gavin Magnus, and the song is called Movie. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy it. I was a musician for over 30 years in Baltimore. Since we've moved to North Carolina, the last 5 years, haven't really been doing much music stuff. Kind of got out of it a bit, kind of depressed and all that stuff, or not being around everybody that I was doing. So this is kind of a breath of fresh air. I'm glad that he's really wanting to do this and get back into the music thing. So without further ado, I give you my son, Austin Peacock, Gavin Magnus's Movie. Check it out.
I said I like a movie. I said life is like a what? I said life is like a movie. Every day I'm waking up, you know I get into it. I'm stacking my bread, I told my mama not to worry. I'm balling so hard, yeah, I was patient, I ain't hurry. You know I ain't never need you. I ain't never need you. All the stuff I did back then. What we've been through, can't sit up through the wind. Just tell the truth, I can't go through this stuff again. What I do to you, while you ain't trying to make amends. Cause it's done, everything we went through, yeah, that's tough. It ain't fun, and nobody does thank you, cause you know that you won. And I was wasting time, really thought you was the one. So be gone, I said life is like a movie. Every day I'm waking up, you know I get into it. I'm stacking my bread, I told my mama not to worry. I'm balling so hard, yeah, I was patient, I ain't hurry. You know I ain't never need you. Alright, I'm doing good now that you finally out of my life. And I'm doing all the things you said that I couldn't do right. I gave you chances and I guess it was your final strike. Right now I'm done with all your lies. I'm moving the stool and I'm breaking the mic. I'm trying to ball the rest of the night. Mirror the music the rest of my life. I'm going in, I'm just talking about my life now. Never be a hater, now it is my time. I said life is like a movie. Every day I'm waking up, you know I get into it. I'm stacking my bread, I told my mama not